I'm going to show you the 20 best foods you can eat that will promote muscle growth and give you strength to keep going. If your goal is to pack on muscles, foods like chicken, eggs, and protein shakes are typically what come into your mind first. Vegetables, on the other hand, are commonly associated with weight loss rather than weight gain. But the great thing about veggies is that they contain valuable nutrients such as complex carbs, fiber, minerals, and phytonutrients, which are all essential to an effective muscle-building nutrition program. So, non-vegetable lovers, pack it up, because vegetables will always have value whatever your fitness goals are. Does eating cabbage help build muscle? What about tomatoes? Do they count? Stick around until the last minute and I'll tell you my personal favorite when it comes to getting a more muscled physique. Number 1. Broccoli. Having a reputation as a superfood, broccoli is included in nearly every highly nutritious vegetable list. Bodybuilders in particular rave a lot about broccoli, and for good reasons. 1 cup of broccoli contains 1.8 grams of fiber and 3 grams of protein. Fiber reduces hunger, while protein is a must for muscle building. It also has essential nutrients such as vitamin B complex that aids muscles in efficiently using carbs and proteins to grow. Other active ingredients found in broccoli that help build muscle are sulforaphane, quercetin, carotenoids, and camphorol. Are you looking for veggies that contain more protein than broccoli? Look no further than kale. Number 2. Kale. With kale, you can build and repair your muscles without the risk of getting fat. That's because kale offers more protein per calorie than fatty cuts of beef. Additionally, it's rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant for post-workout muscle repair. So, next time you cook, add lots of kale to your green stir-fry and enjoy the food after your weightlifting session. Number 3. Carrots. Carrots would make fantastic food after your workout. For starters, they're high in antioxidants like kale, thus helping decrease body inflammation so your muscles can recover better. Secondly, carrots are loaded with potassium, which helps avoid muscle cramps. Lastly, the beta-carotene and fiber in carrots provide your body with energy and support muscle growth and repair. Have you ever wondered how Popeye got all those muscles? It's all thanks to his favorite food. Number 4. Spinach. According to research, this nitrate-rich vegetable can greatly improve muscle function, especially in the lower limbs. It helps enhance muscle strength, which is positively linked with muscle building. Spinach has also been proven to alleviate stress on muscles, thus allowing the muscle tissues to become stronger. If spinach has nitrate for muscle growth, then cauliflower has boron. More details here. Number 5. Cauliflower. Considering its lackluster color, it isn't much of a surprise why cauliflower has a bad rap as among the least healthy veggies. But the truth is, cauliflower has a decent nutritional profile. And for bodybuilders in particular, this vegetable is rich in the mineral boron, which aids in building muscle and boosting testosterone levels. My favorite way of eating this veggie is smashed. Smashed cauliflower is quick to make and delicious. Best of all, it's a healthier alternative to mashed potatoes. What about you? Do you have your cauliflower recipe? Feel free to share it with us in the comments below. Number 6. Cabbage. Vitamin C, otherwise known as ascorbic acid, is a vital nutrient for the body. After all, it's necessary for the proper functioning of the bones, muscles, and blood vessels. Cabbage is high in vitamins A and C and can lower estrogen levels with the help of the phytochemical indole. Also, this vegetable has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that improve your muscle recovery. Speaking of cabbages, those little cabbages called Brussels sprouts would also make an awesome alternative, but more about them a little later. Number 7. Asparagus. Packed with vitamin K, vitamin A, and folate, asparagus is among the best plant-based sources of protein you can ever find. Folate, for starters, helps improve blood flow to working muscles, which should give you more reason to include asparagus in your diet plan. Furthermore, this super versatile vegetable contains glutathione, which may help reduce inflammation. With 3 grams of protein per cup, you'd never go wrong with adding asparagus to your meals. My favorite way of eating asparagus is by grilling it with salt and pepper. You really should give it a try. Who says you can't satisfy your sweet tooth with veggies? You definitely can with sweet potatoes. They have incredible fitness benefits, but more about them here. Number 8. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are loaded with fiber and carbs, and because of its low glycemic index, meaning they burn slowly, eating these vibrant tubers would give you a long-term source, allowing you to fire up even after a workout and replenish your muscle glycogen stores afterward. High in fiber, they keep you satiated longer, preventing overeating. Plus, a cup of sweet potatoes has 4 times your recommended daily allowance of vitamin A, which promotes protein synthesis. Number 9. Bell peppers. Red, yellow, or green, by all means take your pick. Among the vegetables, peppers have the highest amount of vitamin C. This is excellent news since vitamin C helps burn fat and convert carbs into fuel. Moreover, researchers said that vitamin C helps the muscle tissues process carnitine, a fatty acid that's good for muscle growth and recovery. Bell peppers have a hint of bitterness, which some of you may not be a fan of. If so, then you may like green peas more. Number 10. Green peas. Green peas are a highly nutritious form of plant-based protein, albeit very underrated if I may add. This protein-rich vegetable provides a remarkable 8 grams of protein for every single cup. What's more, green peas are high in vitamins A and C, iron, fiber, and phosphorus. This explains the growing popularity of pea protein powder these days. One study even found that consuming pea protein in conjunction with resistance training led to a greater increase in muscle thickness after 12 weeks as opposed to just training alone. Number 11. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are one of the most underappreciated vegetables. One possible reason could be its not-so-pleasant taste, but for individuals like you who are serious about building muscle, you should give Brussels sprouts a try. Unbeknown to many, these cabbage-like veggies have protein and other nutrients that your body needs to build lean muscle. Brussels sprouts also have quite a fiber content on them, but their bitter taste leaves a, well, bitter impression on people. Another high-fiber option that may just taste a bit better than sprouts is eggplants, which I'll talk about more in a while. Number 12. Beets. Scientists have discovered that beetroots provide faster recovery of muscle power after an intense workout. This is due to the nitrates and betalains, which are antioxidants present in beetroot juice. They work to aid in exercise recovery by reducing muscle fatigue and preserving muscle function. Additionally, nitrates boost your ability to perform more reps in the gym, which could lead to greater muscle growth over time. Number 13. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is good for building muscle. It has a high amount of potassium, calcium, magnesium, and other minerals crucial for muscle and nervous system health. Chard also contains vitamin C and E, which helps promote muscle growth as discussed previously. However, this vegetable has a low caloric density, so to get enough calories, eat chard with other carbohydrate-rich foods as well as protein and healthy fats. Number 14. Tomatoes. Based on research, tomato juice can be better than energy drinks at facilitating the body with exercise recovery. Tomatoes offer vital chemicals to help muscles recover and blood levels stabilize after being stretched and strained. In particular, green tomatoes are rich in tomatidine, which according to researchers is a compound that stimulates growth in human muscle cells. One large tomato has about 42 calories and is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. Not only are tomatoes incredibly nutritious, but they're also highly available and versatile. The same goes for number 15, onions. Did you know that in ancient Athens, Greek athletes used onions to boost their muscle tone? It turns out that this has some truth in it. Researchers found that onions and onion juice can improve testosterone production in men. Testosterone is an important hormone for men as it's responsible for bone and muscle mass, strength, fat distribution, and the creation of red blood cells. Number 16. Zucchini. Wondering if zucchini is good for muscle building? Short answer, yes. Zucchini is composed of 95% water. Because of the high water content of this vegetable, it can help you to stay hydrated. In turn, it helps with weight loss, energizes muscles, keeps your kidneys healthy, and promotes healthy bowel movements. Above all, the flesh and peel of zucchini offer nutrients including digestion-promoting fiber, bone-building calcium, and muscle-helping potassium. Including these foods in your diet is only the first step. The next step would be to identify which exercises must be included in your routine. Allow me to give you a great example, which is none other than the simple yet explosive deadhead. But more on this in a bit. Number 17. Celery. Celery is an excellent source of vitamin K, which is important for normal blood clotting and bone metabolism. It also has decent amounts of potassium that help prevent muscle cramping in runners. Moreover, celery has flavonoids, which improve blood flow and protect the body against exercise-induced inflammation. These antioxidants help your body recover faster from an inflammatory state. Don't worry, inflammation is healthy and normal after strenuous exercise. That's when you know you're doing things right. Number 18. Eggplant. Eggplant is an amazing source of antioxidants and dietary fiber, both of which can support digestive health and promote weight management. It's also packed with manganese, vitamin K, folate, vitamin C, copper, and magnesium, vitamins and minerals that can support healthy bones and muscles, while supplying the body with energy throughout the day. If you're in the mood for something refreshing and slightly sweet, then you definitely love the next vegetable. Number 19. Cucumber. Cucumbers contain minerals and vitamins that can help soothe your achy muscles. It has silica, a trace mineral that helps the body grow strong and healthy connective tissues in the muscles, tendons, ligaments, cartilage, and bone. This mineral also promotes muscle flexibility, while the magnesium content of cucumbers ensures proper blood circulation and relaxed nerves. Number 20. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are packed with vitamin D, which may be good for muscle building according to researchers. In a recent study, it was found that male and female participants with higher levels of D had stronger leg and arm strength. The best mushroom variety is maitake, also dubbed as the hen of the woods. A cup of this veggie gives 3 times of your daily allowance of vitamin D. Because you've come this far, here's a vegetable that I'm particularly so fond of. Well, technically it's a legume, but has been used as a vegetable. Number 21. Soybeans. Since the start of my muscle building journey, soybeans have always been part of my nutrition plan. And no, it isn't only because of their impressive protein content. 100 grams of raw soybeans contains 36 grams of protein. It's also thanks to the high amounts of leucine in soybeans. Leucine is an amino acid that stimulates protein synthesis. So, yep, you really shouldn't leave tofu or edamame out, or whatever your preference for soybeans is in your diet if you're serious about getting big. The thing is, even after learning which vegetables are great for building muscle, that's just a small part of the whole muscle building process. What you must do next is find the right exercises to build your dream body. And one of these exercises you should consider is in this video right here. So don't miss out on this next video.